Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether your Dell laptop has an HDMI input. Most laptops only have HDMI output, so check specs first. If it lacks HDMI in, connect an HDMI capture device to a USB 3.0 port and install its drivers. Once done, plug the HDMI cable from the Xbox HDMI out into the laptop HDMI in or capture device. Power on the Xbox and choose a stable resolution like 1080p or 720p to reduce latency and guarantee compatibility with capture hardware. Next, open the Capture or Display app, Windows Game Bar for built-in capture, OBS for advanced control, or the Capture Device Vendor app, and add the capture device as a video source. Make sure the software accepts the HDMI signal and set the resolution and frame rate to match the Xbox output. Also route audio from HDMI. Choose the capture device as the audio input so you hear game sound through the laptop. Once configured, you should see the Xbox display in the app. Adjust scaling to fill the window. Finally, test gameplay. Check input lag, and if needed, use a wired controller and lower the resolution or frame rate to reduce delay. If the laptop shows no signal, reset the HDMI cable, try a different HDMI cable or USB port for the capture device, and restart both the Xbox and laptop. Make sure GPU and capture drivers are up to date. Firmware updates on the capture device can fix compatibility. If problems persist, swap capture software to isolate whether the app or hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.